dear friends. Today I am ostrich. I am a bird, but I cannot fly. But I can run 70 kilometers per hour, faster than humans. My legs are long and strong. I lay biggest egg in the world. I live in Africa. I eat plants, seeds, and small animals. Thank you.